Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for viewing once again. Today we'll be installing some sideboards on my colleague's 2024 Rav4 XLE. Now he got these off Amazon and it's a pretty easy install as you will see. It requires minimal tools, as you can see, but we do have to remove some plugs to access the hole so where we can mount the brackets. One in the middle and two on the ends. There's also an inner screw you need to remove as well. I'll show you that in a minute. Right now my colleague is just applying some rust inhibitor just to prevent any rust or corrosion that may occur later on. Now here's one of the fasteners. He just goes into that hole that we just removed the plug from. And he's also coating it with the rust inhibitor. Now behind that, where we put the plug is, there's a screw that you need to remove so we can put in the bracket as well. There's that screw I was mentioning about. It's one in the back that just attaches on. Pretty simple. So it's a pretty neat install, not much modification, simple. And all we have to do now is align the screws to fit those slots in those brackets. They're on a track so you can adjust them. And just put it through and then tighten up the fasteners on the other end. The sideboards fit pretty flush against the body of the Rav, and it has a tight weather seal on the inner lip. It looks very good. And a clean install. And just tighten those fasteners so when you apply the sideboard. Well guys, thanks for viewing, and we'll see you on the next one.